The law of unified connectedness states that elements that are connected to each other using colors, lines, frames, or other shapes are perceived as a single unit when compared with other elements that are not linked in the same manner. Uniform connectedness creates a stronger connection between objects than either proximity and similarity. It can redefine groups already established by two other principles. There are two basic strategies for applying uniform connectedness in a design: common regions and connected lines. Common regions are formed when edges come together and bound a visual area, grouping the elements within a region. These are the tips when using this principle. The law can help you to make your design make more sense and groupings be instinctual to the client. Add related links or buttons to the same drop-down menu. This will make them connected. And third, use the same colors, backgrounds, or shapes on the elements to group them together. Fourth, place similar functions such as login, registration inside a frame or a colored rectangle. And lastly, use arrows, lines, dotted lines, and others to create a visual connection between the elements. Note that the connecting elements doesn't have to actually touch the other objects to create this sense of relationship. That explains why arrows are often used to connect text to an image, as you can see in this image. Without the arrows, it's possible to connect. It looks good here and here to the corresponding images, but that would require some interference on the viewer's part to understand the one here refers to the tablet and other to the phone. The arrows make the connections between copy and image clearer, making the whole thing easier to be comprehended. Next, let us learn the law of common fate.